I was first approached by Clinvest Research to join a clinical trial, I have to admit I had some trepidation. I really didn't know what to expect, but from the moment I walked into the facility, I realized that I was going to be surrounded by a group of medical professionals, folks who would take my well-being both physically and mentally to heart. I always felt very protected and very safe here. In fact, my family physician commented that after he discovered I was in the clinical trial, he checked my records of blood work and EKG and said that Clinvest was actually doing more testing than he would do during a normal annual physical exam. I always saw the resident physician who always checked in with me every time I visited in person to make sure that I wasn't having any side effects or had any issues. They always checked on my mental health to make sure that I wasn't experiencing any kind of distress. And I never felt like that I was ever in any kind of danger, either mentally or physically. So if you're thinking about becoming a part of a clinical trial, it is a big decision. It does take time, it does take patience, and there is compensation. But more importantly, the reason that I enjoyed and was involved in the clinical trial is that I knew by my participation, I was helping someone else. Would I do a clinical trial again with Clinvest? Absolutely. And I would encourage anyone to at least investigate it. You owe it to yourself, but more importantly, you owe it to the world.